guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, for this vlog, I will share to you my recipe, sweet and sour lapu-lapu. So, nag-request si Habi na magluto ako ng sweet and sour lapu-lapu. So, since straight kami the past few days na nag-meat or nag-pork, so, bumili kami ng fresh na lapu-lapu sa grocery para gawin ko siyang sweet and sour. So, I hope you will like my simple recipe ng sweet and sour lapu-lapu. Please watch my video, guys. Thank you.
Ulit mo.
Okay, so that's it. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung luto ko na sweet and sour lapu-lapu. So, if you like this video, guys, please click like, and sa mga di pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification button for more updates. God bless! Salamat!